Hi, Gene here with MasterGraphics, and today I'd like to talk to you about our customizable e-info site and to show you how easy it is to order supplies for your 2D large format printers and your 3D printers. Once MasterGraphics has your equipment and your information entered into the e-info site, you're going to receive a confirmation email from us. And in this email, you're going to see 3 PDF files that explain how to place a sales order, how to place a service call, and how to submit a meter reading. You're also going to receive in that email a link to log into the site. You'll have your username, which is typically your email address, and a temporary password. So once you click on that link, you're going to come to the page where you log in, enter your username and your password, and that'll bring you to the home site for the e-info page. And you'll notice it looks a lot more complicated than what it really is. You'll notice the 4 tabs across the top: service call, sales order, meter reading, and equipment item. You'll notice those same tabs are on the left-hand side along with email us or logging out. Also on this page, you'll see that we have any open service calls, any open sales orders, account summary, and any invoices for the last 30 days that you might want to look up. Today, I'd like to place an order for our XL3600 design jet. So I'm going to click on sales order. And you'll notice on this page, it's just verifying my information, my bill to, my ship to, my personal contact information, any comments I might want to write, and a place to put a purchase order number. So down at the bottom, I'm going to click on Add Items. I'm going to click on Equipment because I have multiple plotters, and today I want to order for the XL3600. So what I'm going to do is scroll down until I find the XL3600, double-click on that, and that'll bring up the page with all the supplies for that model. You'll notice that it has all the paper supplies and ink cartridges related to that XL3600. So again, I want to place an order for some 36-inch bond paper. So I'm going to scroll down until I find 36-inch. And I see here's 36-inch by 475 feet. It comes 2 rolls to a carton. The price is $89.96. I'm going to highlight the box and enter a 1. And then I'm also going to scroll down because I want to place an ink cartridge order as well. And I'll scroll down, and in this case, I want to place a cyan ink cartridge. So I'm going to highlight the box again, press 1. I'm going to click OK. This brings me back to the page where I can verify my information. Now I can enter a PO number if I wish, any comments, and in this case, I'm going to put a test because I don't want our purchasing department to order these items for me. And I'm going to verify the quantity and the items I have. Then I'm going to come down and click the Save button, and you'll notice after I click the Save button, in the upper left-hand corner, I'll get a green checkbox that shows my order's been processed. I'm also going to receive a confirmation email saying that the order's been placed with MasterGraphics. At this point, I can log out. I can go place a service call, or I can do a meter reading. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call at 1-800-873-7238, or you can reach us by email at customerservice@mastergraphics.com. Thanks, and have a great day.